Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on the power saving mode on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, you have to open the control center in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click the battery status. Now if you want to enable the battery saver, you're gonna have to unplug your device from the charger first. And then this function will become available and you'll be able to switch this toggle on. Next time you connect the charging cable to your computer, this feature will be automatically disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.